índio come xota, índio come cu, índio come xota, índio come xota, índio come cu, índio come xota, índio come xota, índio come cu.
Quer ficar com dente bom? Quer ficar com dente bom?
These days my hobby has been to learn UI UX designing, and naturally I began learning web development. In this video I would tell you what I have learned under 1 week. The first step of web development is ideation. That includes number 1, layout. It is simply how a website should look like. There are two types of layouts on which almost every website is built upon. That is vertical and horizontal layout. Keeping this in our mind, I personally do web layouts on Canva. I simply use the YouTube thumbnail settings and do the design. An important aspect to keep in our mind is the purpose of the website. Is it a portfolio website? Is it an entertainment website? Depending on this, our website have to be designed professionally or more custom. In this example, my website is both an entertainment and a portfolio website. Layout process can take from 2 hours or even 2 days sometimes. The last step of ideation is raw material. In this process, you would just create a folder in which you would store all the images you would use in your website. The next process of web development is base. In this, you would create your HTML file with the necessary elements. You would notice that all these elements in your website are too basic and have no taste. Here's where you would use styling or CSS. CSS would style and improve the aesthetics of your desired elements, and we can also add animations in CSS. But it is not all sunshine and rainbows, because when you are creating quite a complex design like this, CSS becomes from styling to problem solving. That is a huge part in web development. You would get alignment problems all the time, and it is hard to visualize these invisible margins, paddings, inline block, etc. etc. But eventually you solve all the problems. Or did you? The final step of web development is fixing. Fixing alignment issues and potential bugs in the code and adjusting the layout in different devices. Speaking of which,
usually the rule of thumb when you make a website is to always design for mobile first.
this is the basics of web development. I have not covered topics such as JavaScript and web apps. I am saving that for a next video.
Quer ficar com dente bom? Quer ficar